Hello students, I am Radhika Sharma from Naini Public School. Here is we are going to study today English grammar chapter number 1 determiners. Determiner are the word which tells us something about noun before which they are placed. They help us to know which and how much or how many are things they are be using in a sentence. Kind of determiners. There are four kinds of determiner, and these are: first of all it is article a and the. Second is demonstrative, this, these, that, those. Third is possessive, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. And fourth is some other determiners, in which first section includes some and any, second includes much, many, many are, third includes each and every, fourth include few and a few, the few, fifth include a little, little, the little, six include either and neither, seven include all, whole, and eighth include less, fewer. Now we are going to study about the articles of a and the. So first of all, before telling about you these articles, I want to tell you about the vowels and consonant. Vowels a, e, I, o, u. These 5 letters are our vowels in English language, and the rest of the letters are known as consonant. So the a is mainly used before consonant, and an is used mainly before vowels, which is a, e, I, o, u, and rest of are consonants. So before explaining about other things, I want to say you about this note. In note we are saying that in some places we have to use a, which is an article before some vowel, because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि कुछ वॉवेल्स के साउंड हमें कॉन्सोनेंट के साउंड से मिलते जुलते लगते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि बिकॉज दीज वॉवेल्स में साउंड लाइक कॉन्सोनेंट, एज इफ वी राइट डैश एलिफेंट वी विल फिल देयर and when is there a blank between a European woman, so we will fill there a, because European, it is sounding like an consonant. So anytime if you have confusion in using a or an, just give attention on the sounds of word. Now D demonstratives point out person, places or thing, as this boys, those men's. These all are demonstrative, that demonstrate about something, that point out something. What are possessive? Possessive refers to the thing which belong to somebody's, as my house, our teachers, etc. means belong to somebody's, it sells or it sells not. I wish these 3 parts you have been clear. I am repeating it again. We have first of all learned about the articles, that articles have a and the. The is used before the things which are only in the nature, as like the Ganga, the Hindustan Times, etc. In demonstrative we have learned that that demonstratives are the words which point out person, places or things. Then the next is possessive. Possessive refers to the thing which is related to somebody's. Okay, जैसे कि my house, our teachers, etc. Some other demonstratives are mainly, first of all, some, any, no. Some is used in affirmative sentence, any is used in negative sentence. It is clear to you that what is sentences. Sentences are the word which give us a complete sense. And now we come on the affirmative and negative sentence. What is affirmative? Affirmative means a simple sentence which declare you something, that if I had a car, I have a car. This is a declarative and or affirmative sentence. And in negative sentence is a sentence which always say no, which points out negative things. Okay, and the main common thing between some and any is interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence we can use some and any in both. both we can use in an interrogative sentence. No, no is used to deny something. ये एक्चुअली ये बहुत कॉमन सी चीज़ है दैट नो इज़ यूज टू डिनाई समथिंग. किसी भी चीज़ को मना करने के लिए हम नो का यूज़ करते हैं. हैव यू एनी पेन? वी आर आस्किंग दिस एनी. Any is in use and negative sense and we are answering it no. We are denying. No, I have no pen. So the second part of some other demonstratives are much, many, many, much denotes quality, that how the work is done. What is the quality of that thing? Many denotes the number. It denotes the number, that how much time it has been done. And many are, when there is used many are, it means many times, more than a time. The third part is each and every. Each is used for two or more persons, where every is used for more than two person or thing. Each is used only for a person and every is used person and things both. Fourth part is few, a few and the few. Few means not many, hardly any, means थोड़ा मतलब ना के बराबर होना. अ फ्यू मतलब मीन्स सम विथ पॉजिटिव सेंस, मतलब थोड़ा होना एक पॉजिटिव सेंस में. द फ्यू मीन्स नॉट मैनी बट ऑल ऑफ दैट नंबर. द फ्यू मीन्स मतलब पूरा ना होके उसका हाफ से ज़्यादा पार्ट आपके काम में आना. नेक्स्ट इज आइदर एंड नाइदर. व्हाट इज आइदर एंड नाइदर? नाइदर, आइदर मीन्स मीन one or two, both. If we take the example of either and neither, we can say that either this road or that contains the tree more. Neither means not either or none of two, means दोनों, अगर हम दो चीज़ लेते हैं तो दोनों में से कोई भी चीज़ ना लेना. So neither may be used for in a negative sense, as we can use neither side is winning. कोई भी साइड नहीं जीत रही है. All and whole. The next one is all and whole. All denotes number as well as quantity, means ये number भी denote करता है और quantity भी denote करता है. And whole use to denote only quantity. ये सिर्फ quantity को denote करता है. After that is less and fewer. Less denotes quantity and fewer denotes number. So I am repeating it again, once again, everything for your revision. First of all, we have studied about the determiners. That determiners are the word which tell us something about noun. Kinds of determiner, there are 4 kinds of determiners: article, demonstrative, possessive and some other determiners. Then we have discussed about the part of articles, demonstratives, possessives and some other parts of determiner. So I hope this video will help you to read this chapter well. Thank you.